Yeah, Matt here with 911R, and we have this Rally Safari 911 that's on Bring a Trailer right now. I just want to do a quick little talk about it. This car was built by the folks at TRE Motorsports, Dave Bugazzi, really well known in the hot rod, sports purpose, R group scene. But this car was completely disassembled and is a full rotisserie build. It is a backdate, so it has a long hood style front end on it. And when it was done, let me show you. It was done properly with the correct backdated front, slam panel, and fenders and everything. So you can see this is the correct style front end. Has an RSR large oversized fuel tank, strut bar. Power, neat thing about some of these backdates, you get a lot better brakes with the power brakes. Cool chibi lights on it. Custom horn grills here, H4 front lights. But what's really exciting about this is the body and paint on this car. The cool custom paint scheme, the color-coded, it's what the jet go by, the color-coded cookie cutter wheels. But again, huge touches on this interior. This is a very, very high level build interior. You get German square weave carpet, you get GTS classic seats that have been recovered in the brown Alcantara. You get brown Alcantara everywhere. Tops of the doors, the door cards, the headliner, the dash pad. We got rally clocks. We got a modern AC with barrel AC system on it. Just lots of really nice touches. Wevo shifter on the 915, 917 style shift knob. Brown leather Alcantara Momo steering wheel. All the gauges have been redone. Just everything has been done on this car. It's got a harness bar going across the back with the cool early 911R style roll bar. I've bought lots of these from these and always put them in all of our builds. This car's done lots of rallies. Like I said, the California Rally. It's been in the Air Water shows, the Luftgekühlt shows. It's a pretty famous build car. Out back in the engine bay, we just have a 2.7 that's all been rebuilt. Everything's been done right, and there's all the receipts and everything in it. Again, like I said, it's got the modern AC on it, but really nice touches. Color keyed fan. Again, if you look at the paint, it's just really beautiful. Custom grill back here. Coming around to this side, you can really see the inside, how the nice interior has been done. This is a build that's been well sorted. It's been had about 700 miles on it since it was completed, and it's ready to run. Any questions, please use the contact seller button. We'll get right back to you. And if you need a transportation quote or you're interested in having 911R sell a car for you, let me know as well. Thank you.